Good morning everyone, myself Balram Lodi. Today we are discuss about typhoid fever. So let's see. टाइफॉइड फीवर। हम देखेंगे टाइफॉइड फीवर क्या है। टाइफॉइड फीवर आल्सो नोन एज सिंपली टाइफॉइड इज़ कॉमन वर्ल्ड वाइड बैक्टीरियल डिजीज ट्रांसमिटेड by the ingestion of food or water contaminated with the feces of an infected person which contain the bacterial like salmonella enterica सेरोवल टाइफी। ये सभी बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट होते हैं इन इन्फेक्शन ऑफ बैक्टीरियल टाइफॉइड। या यूँ कहें कि टाइफॉइड फीवर को एक वर्ल्ड वाइड महामारी बताया गया है जो ट्रांसमिट होता है थ्रो पानी या कंटामिनेटेड फूड, है ना। दिस आल्सो। सो नेक्स्ट वी सी, ये जो डिसीज़ है वो किसके द्वारा होती है। तो द डिसीज़ हैज़ टू रिसीव वेरियस नेम सच एज गैस्ट्रिक फीवर, इंटेरिक फीवर, एब्डोमन टाइफॉइड। The disease has received various names such as gestation fever, entire fever, abdominal typhus, infantile remittent fever, show fever, nervous fever, and pathogenic fever. And second line we see the name typhoid means resembling typhus and come from the neuropsychiatric symptoms common to typhoid and typhus. So next one, despite of the similarity of their name, typhoid fever and typhus are a distinct disease and are caused by the different specific bacteria. टाइफाइड फीवर जो है वो डिफरेंट बैक्टीरियो द्वारा कॉज की गई एक महामारी है। सो नेक्स्ट, the current of disease fell sharply in the developed world with rise 20th century sanitation techniques and antibiotics. In 2013 is result in about 1,60,000 death, down from the 1,81,000 in 1919, है ना। सन 2013 में इसके द्वारा पीड़ित लोगों में 1,61,000 की डेथ घोषित किया गया है। और उसके बाद में इन 1990 में 1,81,000 डेथ हुई हैं। साइन एंड सिम्टम्स, टाइफाइड फीवर के क्या क्या साइन और क्या क्या सिम्टम्स होंगे तो आगे हम डिस्कस करेंगे। Classically, course of the untreated typhoid fever is divided into the 4 individual stages. Each lasts about a week. Over course of this stage is patient become acutely and emaciated. In the first week, the body temperature rised slowly, and fever functional are seen related to bradycardia sign, headache and cough. And second one is a body nose is seen a quarter of case, and abdominal pain in also possible. A decrease in the number of circulatory white blood cell, blood culture are positive for salmonella typhi, है ना. The widest test, Vidal test is negative in the first week, and second week of the infection the patient lie prostrate with high fever in plateau around 40 degree Celsius and 104 Fahrenheit, and ब्रेडिकार्डिया इत्यादि सिम्टम्स शो करेगा पेशेंट. क्लासीफाई विद द डिक्रोटिक पल्स वेव. देन उसके बाद में डिलीरियम इज फ्रिक्वेंट आफ्टर काल्म बट समटाइम एजिटेड. दिस डिलीरियम गिव्स टू टाइफॉइड द nickname of nervous fever. Rose report appear on a lower chest and abdomen, and around third of patient is raunchy or hard in lung bases. The abdomen is a distance and painful in the right lower quadrant where a borborme can be heard. Second one, diarrhea can occur in a stage 6 to 8 stool in the day. Green comparable to pure soup with a characterized smell. Then however constipation is also frequent. The spleen and liver are enlarged, जिसको हम बोलेंगे हेपेटो स्प्लेन में गैली, एंड टेंडर एंड लीवर ट्रांसमिशन आर एलिवेटेड. एंड देन नेक्स्ट वन आएगा सिम्टम्स डिहाइड्रेशन इंश्योर एंड पेशेंट इज डिलीरियम टाइफॉइड स्टेट, एंड 1/3 ऑफ द अफेक्टेड इंडिविजुअल डेवलप macular rash on the tongue. Then platelet count goes down slowly and risk of bleeding rise, and by the end of the third week is the fever start subsiding, and this current on into the fourth and final week. Okay. अगला हम देखेंगे ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ टाइफॉइड फीवर. टाइफॉइड फीवर कैसे फैलता है. फर्स्ट वन लाइन इज द बैक्टीरियल दैट कॉज टाइफॉइड फीवर मे बी स्प्रेड थ्रू पुअर हाइजीन हैबिट एंड पब्लिक sanitation condition, and sometimes also by flying insect feeding on faces. And then next, public education campaigns encouraging people to wash their hand after defecate and before handling food are important component in controlling spread of the disease. Then next, according to statistics from the United States, CDT, Central for Disease Control and Prevention, the chronic chlorination of drinking water has led to dramatic decrease in transmission of typhoid fever in the United States. देन हाउ टू डायग्नोस टाइफॉइड फीवर. टाइफॉइड फीवर को कैसे डायग्नोस करेंगे. So first one is a diagnosis made by any blood, bone marrow, stool culture, and with a Vidal test. In epidemic and less weight countries after excluding malaria, dysentery or pneumonia. A therapeutic trial time which chloramphenicol is generally undertaking while waiting the result of the Vidal test and culture of the blood test and stool. First one line. The Vidal test is time consuming, and after when diagnosis is reached, it is too late start an antibiotics regimen. Then the term enteric fever is a collective term that refers to severe typhoid, typhoid. तो प्रिवेंशन में हम देखेंगे फर्स्ट वन इज सैनिटेशन एंड हाइजीन आर क्रिटिकली मेजर दैट कैन बी टेक टू प्रिवेंशन टाइफाइड फीवर में हमको हाईली हाइजीन मेंटेन रखना है ना, और इसे लंबे समय तक अपनाना है. देन उसके बाद में typhoid does not affect animal, so transmit is only from human to human. Typhoid can only spread in environment where a human faces or urine are able for come into the contact with the food or drinking water. Carefully food and prepare and washing of the hand and crucial prevent typhoid. टाइफाइड जो है एनिमलों में या जानवरों में स्प्रेड नहीं होता है, यह ह्यूमन में ही अधिकतर स्प्रेड होता है, जो कि टाइफाइड फीवर कैन ओनली स्प्रेड इन इन्वायरमेंट, है ना. इन्वायरमेंट के थ्रू ये ह्यूमन में एक्सिस्ट इंटर होता है. देन उसके बाद में हम देखेंगे प्रिवेंशन ऑफ टाइफाइड में हम देखेंगे 2 वैक्सीन आर लाइसेंस्ड फॉर यूज फॉर प्रिवेंशन ऑफ टाइफाइड. द लाइव oral type 21A vaccine also solved as a vivo tip by Crucial Switzerland H and injectable typhoid polysaccharide वैक्सीन, है ना, या इन्हें प्रिवेंशन के दौरान यूज़ की जाती हैं. Both are 50 to 80% protect and are recommended for the transfer to area where the typhoid endemic. Booster are recommended every 5 year for oral vaccine and every 2 year for the injectable form. And then next, an older killer wholesale vaccine is still used in country where the never prepared are not available, but vaccine is no longer recommended for use because has higher rate side effect, mainly pain and inflammation at the site of injection. This also can see. ट्रीटमेंट में हम देख सकते हैं रीडिस्कवर ऑफ द ओरल डिहाइड्रेशन थेरापी. ओरल डिहाइड्रेशन थेरापी का यूज़ हमें करना है इन पेशेंट ऑफ टाइफाइड फीवर And then persistent uncommon of the transmitter choice, fluoroquinolone such as ciprofloxacin, otherwise third generate cephalosporin such as ceftriaxone. Cefotaxime is a first choice of cefixime is a suitable oral alternative. Typhoid fever, when properly treated, is non-fatal most cases. Antibiotics such as ampicillin, chloromaphenicol, trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole, amoxicillin, and ciprofloxacin has been recommended used to treat typhoid fever. In microbiology, treatment of the disease with antibiotics reduce of the case fatality rate about 1%. उसके बाद में हम देखेंगे एंटीबायोटिक्स में क्या क्या किस फॉर्मूले को रिकमेंडेड किया गया है, जिसमें से मेन है एमोक्सिलिन, सिप्रोफ्लॉक्सासिन। ये सब कॉमन ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ टाइफाइड फीवर के लिए माइक्रोबायोलॉजी द्वारा रिकमेंड किया गया है। उसके बाद देखेंगे हम व्हेन अनट्रीटेड टाइफाइड फीवर रेसिडेंट untreated typhoid fever persists for 3 weeks a month. Death occur in 10% to 30% of untreated cases. In some community, however, case fatality rate may be reach high as a 40%, 47%. Surgical management in typhoid. First one is we see surgery is usually indicated in cases of intestinal perforation. Then most surgeries perform simple closure of the perforation with the drainage of the peritoneal. Then small bowel resection of indicated for patient with multiple perforation. Then if antibiotic treatment fail to eradicate hepatobiliary carriage in gallbladder should be restricted. Cholecystectomy is not always successful eradicated the carrier state because persistent hepatic infection. Then resistant of ampicillin, chloromaphenicol, trimethoprim, sulmethazole, streptomycin is never common, and their agent has not been to use first treatment for almost 20 year. Then next, typhoid resistant to this agent is known as multi-drug resistant typhoid, MDR typhoid. Ciprofloxacin resistant is a increasing problem, especially in Indian substitute and southeast area. Many central has therefore moving away from using ciprofloxacin as a first line of the treatment. Suspected typhoid originated in South Africa, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Thailand, or many country. For this patient is recommended first line treatment ciprofloxacin. Also azithromycin has been suggested to the better of treatment typhoid and resistant population than both fluoroquinolone drug and ciprofloxacin. Azithromycin significant reduction related to compared with the ceftriaxone. As a separate problem assisted laboratory testing, the reduced substitute to ciprofloxacin. Then current recommendations are that isolated should be tested stimulated and against ciprofloxacin CIP and against nalidic acid, and then isolated that are the sensitive are both CIP and NAL should be reported as a sensitive to ciprofloxacin, but that isolated testing sensitive and CIP but not NAL should be reported as a reduced sensitive to ciprofloxacin. ये सभी प्रिवेंशन हमने देखे हैं मेडिकल मैनेजमेंट एंड सर्जिकल मैनेजमेंट. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.